and Desmond here, and together we're going to be giving you a review on our motorbike reviews that we have been doing all this while. So what have we got today?
Today we're reviewing a motorbike named LuoJIA, a motorbike that is specially designed for ladies and guys who are gentle riders.
The idea here today is we are going to give you how this motorbike is designed, what it's made for. We're going to give you all the information you need to know about this. It's a motorbike designed for ladies, but also meant for men too, if you're a gentle rider.
So ladies, stay glued to your seats as we take on a tour of our review.
But before we proceed, we want to ask you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It really helps out a lot by clicking on the subscribe button and then
ring the bell for notification.
Anytime we upload a video, you will get a notification so that you can come watch. All right, so are you ready? Can we?
Ready when you are.
Okay, so we are ready. Let's go.
Okay, so guys, this is LuoJIA knot. One beauty of it is that it's specially designed closer to the ground to make it easy for us to get on it, just like I did. This motorbike has basic features of a normal motorbike, like the speedometer, headlight, mirrors, traffic indicator, and the rest. But one beautiful thing is that these large mudguards are specially designed to prevent water from splashing on you during rainy season. And there's yet another interesting feature of this large mudguards, and this is for you, my ladies. When in miniskirts, this large mudguards prevents you from being exposed. Yet another interesting feature about the LuoJIA is it has an opening here, which makes it easy for you, the ladies, to get on without having to stretch yourself like the guys do.
Wow, impressive, right? Okay, thank you, Jackie, for that impressive review. In fact, I was really stunned and amazed with all that she has taken us through. In fact, that is but a few of the features of this motorbike, okay? And right now, we want to see how this ride. We want to hit the road. We want to see how this goes. If you are ready, Jackie, you want to say something? Okay, so Jackie says, come join her, hit the road. All right, let's shoot up and hit the road now. Let's go.
And ladies, never forget your helmet.
Okay, so an important thing is never forget your helmet. Put it on. We are shooting now, shooting up right now, and we hit the road. So let's get going. So that was an awesome ride, right? Okay, so great. One thank you for being with us today.